In this video, we will learn how to add security camera to YILOT app. So first step is unboxing. So let's unbox the camera. So if we unbox it, here we have the power cable, the power connection, and the camera. This is the camera. It can be different size, and we have some screw, okay, and we have the user manual, okay. And this one can be from different brand. Like I'm showing you another camera like this one. This one also uses the same app, YILOT app. Although this is different brand, but they uses the same app, YILOT app. So it doesn't matter which brand of camera you are using. If you need to use the YILOT app, then you can follow this video. So in second step, we need to install the app. The name of the app is YILOT. So I'm showing you both iPhone and Android phone. So in iPhone, go to App Store and write the name YILOT, YILOT app. So this is the app. So install. Okay, it's installing. Sometimes maybe you need to give the password, your Apple ID password. And this is the Android phone. So in Android phone, you need to go Play Store and write YILOT app. So this is the YILOT. So install. So the app is installing both in iPhone and Android phone. So in iPhone, it already installed. So open. In app, yeah, this is also installing. Almost done. Yeah, it's almost done. So we need to select the region. So I'm in USA, so I need to select United States. So you will select your country, so United States. Now continue. Now if you have email address and password, then you can log in here. But if you are a new user, then you need to create an account. So we need to sign up. Okay, so for new user, we need to create an account. And creating an account is same procedure for both iPhone and Android phone. So I'm only using the iPhone. I'm not using this one. So this is the third step to create an account. So what we will do, click sign up, then enter the email address and password, and you need to confirm the password, and you also need to enter the code here. Okay, so I'm doing those. Yeah, so I entered the email address and password. Please make sure you write those in capital letter, like what letter it's in given. If it's written in capital letter, then write in capital letter. But if it's written in small letter, then please write that in small letter. So now next. Okay, so it T R, I think that is F. Yep. So activation link has been sent to your email. If you check the email, yeah, they sent a link here. So thank you for joining YILOT. You are just one step away from enjoying the benefits of a safer home. Click here, success. So the account creation is done. So we finished the third step. So in step 4, what we need to do, log in with your email address and password. So I'm logging in. Hello. Now skip. allow, agree. Now to add the camera, click plus sign plus, and we want to add the camera through Wi-Fi, so click Wi-Fi. Now it says power on the device and wait for 20 seconds until you hear the beeps. Okay, so we need to power the device. So this is the, so attach this one, the other side here, and this one will go. Yep, it's got the power. Now we need to wait for 20 seconds to hear a beep. Okay, so we are waiting to hear the beep. Yeah, so we hear the beep. So I hear the beep. Now you need to insert your Wi-Fi name and its password. So I already write the Wi-Fi name and its password. So next,
please face the QR code towards the camera lens and
now
wait for it to scan.
We need to place this one in front of here, in front of the camera.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Yeah, it's say connecting to Wi-Fi. So I heard, okay, yeah, I heard, yeah, connecting to Wi-Fi or waiting to connect, they're same thing. So next,
Wi-Fi is connected.
so its Wi-Fi is connected. Now sometimes maybe it will not connect. Okay, then what you need to do, you need to reset the camera. So how you can reset the camera? So here there is a reset button, here there is a reset button. So this is the reset button. So
Pairing is successful.
so take something like this one and press and hold this one,
Pairing is successful.
then
You can start using your
it will be
camera now.
resetted. Okay, if it works then that's good, but if doesn't work then reset the camera, then it will scan. Okay, so it says it's connected. So we need to give a name. So test 1, I'm giving the name test 1. Yeah, living room. Okay, so next, we don't need to subscribe. So no, we don't want to purchase. So next, okay, they are enforcing to buy, but we do not want to buy. Give up. Yep, give up. We do not want to buy. So YiLoad would like to find and connect devices on your local network. Allow. So now we have the camera here. Now, yep, now it's working. Okay, it's working now. Yeah, it's working. So connection is done. Now how to control the camera? So if you want to control the camera, so here this one, if you press, it will rotate, even up or down. Okay, it will rotate. And if you want to make a video, press this one, it make a video. If you want to take picture, then press this one. If you want to talk, then press and hold this one. Okay, press and hold this one, then you can talk. Yeah, that's it.